Ever wonder how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Today, we are going to break down the process into clear, easy-to-follow steps that can help you achieve this milestone. First things first, what is the key to gaining subscribers? The answer is simple: consistency. Consistency in the quality of your content, consistency in your posting schedule, and consistency in engaging with your viewers. Creating high-quality content that resonates with your viewers is paramount. This means understanding what your audience wants and delivering it. Whether it's makeup tutorials, gaming videos, or cooking shows, make sure your content is both entertaining and informative. Next, decide on a posting schedule and stick to it. Whether you post once a week or once a day, ensure your viewers know when to expect new content from you. A regular posting schedule not only keeps your current subscribers engaged, but it also attracts new ones. Now let's talk about engagement. Engaging with your viewers is a great way to build a community around your channel. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for your viewers. Remember, your viewers are your biggest supporters, so make them feel valued. The next step is to optimize your channel. This means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make your content more discoverable. YouTube's algorithm favors channels that use SEO effectively, so take the time to research and use keywords that are relevant to your content. Promotion is another key factor in gaining subscribers. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and encourage your viewers to share your content. The more people who see your content, the higher the chance of gaining new subscribers. Lastly, consider running a giveaway or contest. This not only incentivizes viewers to subscribe, but it also creates a sense of excitement and anticipation around your channel. To recap, the steps to gaining 1,000 subscribers on YouTube are 1. Creating consistent, high-quality content. 1. Maintaining a regular posting schedule. 1. Engaging with your viewers. 1. Optimizing your channel with relevant keywords. 5. Promoting your content. 1. Running giveaways or contests. Remember, gaining subscribers takes time and effort, but with consistency and dedication you can reach your goal. So, start creating, start engaging, and start growing your YouTube channel today.